Hello and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Dan.
I've done it the wrong way. Oh, well.
I'm going to show you today how to make some amazing cheesy Mexican burgers. It's not going to be too Mexican because I'm not going to put any chili flavour hot stuff in it because I don't like hot stuff. To start off, you're going to need some chicken fillets, boneless, some cheese, a couple of potatoes to make some wedges, be it a millennial and an avocado, a bit of a lime, onions, tomatoes, and some buns, carbs, baps. I say carbs because I'm normal. Wait, right, start off, a couple of potatoes. Give them a quick wash first. Ah, fuck. I honestly had no idea how easy it is to make wedges. It literally, get a potato, cut it in half, cut it in half again, cut it in half again. Pretty much it. Put it in half. The only thing I'll say as well is don't make them too thick because they'll take forever to cut. But I'm going to use an air fryer today, and they're actually really quick. To be fair, that's literally it. You're done. Stick them in a mixing bowl, and then simply season to taste. Bit of salt, get them nice and crispy. Olive oil, bit of pepper, and a bit of paprika. Mix them round. That's literally it, you're done. Stick them in the oven. I'm going to put them in the air fryer. I'm going to put it at the same time as the chicken. The chicken should take about 20 minutes. These take about 20 minutes. Stick them on a bit more if you want. Nice and crispy, you're done. It's just that easy. Next bit, tomato. Cut it in half. Oh, cut it in half. Do that. Half and half. This fucking knife is shit. Steak knife. YOLO. That's better. And then stick all of that into a bowl. Half a lemon. If you want it to taste nasty, half a lemon. Squeeze over the tomato. You can zest it as well if you want to, but nah. Grab an avocado, be it a millennial, cut it in half. Pretty much find the stone. Put it apart. Did you know that an avocado actually isn't vegan? It requires bees to fertilise and to grow. A lot of farms up and down the country transport bees out of their own free will to actually make these, so fucking cunt. Okay, this hasn't really worked out the way that I wanted it to be. I'm going to assume that this avocado isn't ripe enough. It's very flimsy. Okay, wait. Yeah, so you just halve it. Take it out of its thing, cut it up. I think it's way too, it's not ripe enough. But this is what I like to do cooking. I like to just go for it and see what happens. As my granddad would have said, it's all going down the same hole. Stick that all in. And then season with salt and pepper. Pop into a bowl with the tomatoes set aside. I'm going to go set that aside then. Grab the other half of said non-vegan avocado. Oh, okay, I'm just getting to a mess now. You know what, fuck it. And smash all of that into another bowl. Don't know if you meant to eat the end of it. That looks rank. To be honest, an avocado looks fucking disgusting as it is. And then add the remaining lime juice. Nice. Season again with salt and pepper. I might do the chicken in the pan then. Just give that a quick smosh. Yeah. And avocado is fucking rank. That'll do, don't care. Because I don't play by the rules, I make them. The official recipe doesn't say to add onion in, but whatever. You fuck. Gonna do a change of plan. I'm gonna do the wedges in the air fryer, then I'm gonna do the chicken in the frying pan, and you'll see why. Because I got a spreadsheet on in a bit. If you do have an air fryer, a bit of a hint for you: put down a couple of sheets of toilet paper. I was gonna say toilet paper, kitchen paper, because that's gonna soak up all the fat and shit, and then it's a lot easier to clean later on. Right, whilst that is cooking, let's do the chicken in the pan. Don't do the click. Where can I put this? Where did I put this last time? What am I doing? Chicken. Season with oil. Season with salt. Season with pepper. Rub it in. Oh, there goes the salt. And just chuck in. Easy. This will be about 15-ish minutes. So just leave it to do really. Come back in 15. Oh, it's spin. That's what she said. I'm going to quickly actually put the onions in as well. Is that going to give it way too much flavour? I think so. I'm going to put in that much. Cool. Oh, I've got my fucking eyes. That's pretty much it for the wedges. It's got like nothing left to do much, maybe a couple of minutes. So let's paste on the chipolato. I was so posh saying that. How to check if the chicken's done? Have a look in the middle. Is it pink? Can you see any pink? I can only see white. Leave the racist jokes in the comments. Gooey shit. Marinate, good times, come on. Do 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 do. Yahoo! Do 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 do. Yahoo! And Bing and Ask Jeeves. Google marinate. Okay, that hasn't gone too well. Okay, I can fix it. Just leave it for a second. Ta-da! That's wedges. It's that easy. Fuck! There's always one bastard that's stuck at the bottom. Okay, wedges are done. I can stick the salad side bit which looks rank as well. Like that. Fucking easy. And then the chicken goes there. On the cob. That's bit now, then we're done. Cheese.
Oh yeah!
It says to cover the pan with a bit of foil, but I'm not gonna bother doing that because it's gonna melt either way. Like mayo. I did forget to say this at the start, but you need mayo. You don't need it. Oh, Daniel, that is very good. Thank you, sir. Thank you. And then you just chop it. Yeah, man, chop it with a bit of fucking mayo. Come on, give me a sec. Can't come. I'm coming. Oh. Is that it? Shut up, Daniel. I would be so pissed off if I've just done all that effort and then I've ruined the chicken with out of date mayo. I would be fuming. Ooh. Joe, is that cooked right?